So if you have to solve a double-digit number by a single-digit number using multiplication, such as 24 by 6, and is by using today's strategies instead of the standard algorithm, or as us older generation like to call it, the old school way. One of my favorite ones is called the area model. And we start off simply by making a box, and we're going to look at our two numbers that we have available here. We have the first one, 24, and we're going to break this down even further. And what do I mean by that is we're going to look at our 2, we're going to label it with a T, and the 4 with an O. This means this is our tens place and our ones place. And from here, we look at the ones place first. We have a 4. We're going to write it here. Then we have 2 tens. And what do I mean by that? Well, simply, if you think of the terms as like if money, we have $24. We have 2 $10 bills. That means we have 20. Now we're going to make a line. We come over here to this other one. We're going to leave this one alone because it's a single digit. We're going to put the X here. Now we're going to take the first row. We have 20 times 6. And the next row we have 4 times 6. Sorry for the blurriness, I'm recording this on my phone. Now let's take this first number, and all I did is I break it down even further. We can break it down even further for our kids, but since I'm explaining this for us parents, I'm going to get straight to the point as fast as possible. Using something called the rule of 0, we count how many zeros we have. In this case we have 1 0, and I'm going to cross it out and place it at the end. Now all I have to worry about is just 2 times 6. 2 times 6 is 12. Gives us 120. 4 times 6, well, I'm not going to break it down even further. I'm just going to leave it as that, and that gives us 24. Now we take our two answers, or our products, put them off to the side. We take our 120 and our 24, and we remind our kids to make sure that our numbers are lined up by their place value. In our ones place, we have 0 plus 4, which is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. And 1 plus nothing is 1. So this gives us 144. Yes, I did use standard algorithm over here, but it's just for addition, not for multiplication. The idea is to make it easier for students to understand. I hope this helps you out in the future, and hopefully I'll have a better setup of how to explain this as I move further along. Have a good day.